In this video, we'll explore how to encourage hair growth and restore its natural color using simple, natural remedies. Common causes of hair loss. 1. Toxins. Chemicals from hair treatments, like straightening or perming, can damage hair follicles. These treatments break down the hair structure, leading to hair loss. 2. Tight hairstyles. Styles that pull on the hair can cause damage and lead to thinning. 3. Hormonal imbalance. Changes in hormones can affect hair growth. Using wild yam cream may help balance hormones and promote regrowth. 4. Stress. High stress levels can trigger hair loss. 5. Anemia. Low iron levels in the blood can lead to hair loss. Boosting iron intake is crucial. 6. Diet. A poor diet lacking essential nutrients can affect hair health. Choosing the right shampoo. Many shampoos contain sodium lauryl sulfate, which can harm hair follicles. Look for sulfate-free options, like coconut-based shampoos, which nourish the scalp. Natural remedies for hair growth. Coconut oil treatment. Apply coconut oil to your scalp once a month for nourishment. Oil mixture. Combine equal parts coconut oil and castor oil with 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Massage this blend into your scalp weekly to stimulate blood flow and nourish hair follicles. Foods for healthy hair. 1. Green drinks. Consuming green drinks rich in minerals may help restore your hair's natural color. 2. High fiber diet. Include legumes, nuts, and seeds for protein and healthy fats. 3. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your scalp healthy. Lifestyle tips. Exercise regularly. This increases blood circulation to your scalp. Get enough sleep. Aim for at least 8 hours each night to support healing and growth. By addressing these factors, you can promote healthier hair growth and potentially restore its natural color.